Hello, in this example, we're asked to determine how much money this person is going to have after saving $18,700 into an account that offers an annual interest rate compounded semi-annually. So the similarity between yours and this example here is that because it's going to be compounded semi-annually, compound means that of the three formulas, let me write all three formulas. A equals P times 1 plus R over N times T times N. A equals A times 1 plus R raised to the power of T. And A is equal to A times E, or let me use P times E to the RT. Or it could be the letter A, or A times E to the RT, depending how you want to think about P. The one we're going to use here is that because it's using compounded and not continuous, just semi-annually, we're going to use the first formula here. We're going to use this formula up here. So these two are not going to be useful for this example. So now let's look at what the corresponding values are for my variable. Starting off with P. P is the principal amount, which is the $18,700 that's going to be put into the savings account. R represents the interest rate, which is 6.75%. So 6.75 divided by 100, which is a decimal, is that amount there. T has to be measured in years, and it is. Our value of T is 8 years. So plugging this into decimal, or plugging this formula, those numbers into my formula, sorry, 675 divided by N, and T is 8. The only thing left here is that semi-annually. What does the value, what does the number semi-annually mean? Well, it means 2. Semi-annually means that the value of N is going to be 2. So we're going to plug in 2 there and multiply the 8 up here with 2 as well. So plugging this into decimals, and I'm going to do slide over instead. I'm going to plug this all into decimal and see what we get, okay? So let me zoom out here so I can get my keyboard. So 18,701 plus our rate of 0.0675, divide that by 2, and we're going to raise that to the power of 8 times 2. So 8 times 2. So the amount here, the amount value A, let me change colors here. Is going to be $31,804.60 because of the 2. After this doesn't bump this number up, it keeps it the same, so 60 cents. Now let me not put the comma there because you're not going to be able to put a comma in your answer or mark it incorrect. So here is your value. Here's your answer.